This is the rate calculator page. Here is the guide to use rate calculator page. This rate calculator helps you estimate shipping costs and check serviceability between two locations. Let's walk through how to use it efficiently. Provide origin details and destination details, 6 digit, and the address will be auto-generated. Then provide package, so you can add. If you don't want, then you can enter minus sign. Then for shipping preference, choose payment type from the drop down, enter declared value. For special handling, you can choose it from the drop down and enter the COD amount and save it. You can see the rate of the delivery. You can see your shipment details. Here is from June to June, sender city, recipient city. Then coming to chargeable weight. Metric weight. Here is the chargeable weight based on the actual weight. Then coming to freight. It includes secure shipment charges for safe handling. Then ODA charges. This is offense. Then coming to FSC. FSC, forest paper products come from responsibly managed forests. Then the total. Then coming to estimated grand total. You can see AWB charges, that is airway bill, a document fee for airway transportation. Then coming to ROV, area overlay charges. It is applied for delivery to less accessible regions. Then FM charges, forwarding mandatory charges, common for all mandatory handling or processing. Here is the ROV mode. ROV special remote areas is the remote areas surcharge mode applied. Special remote area surcharge mode applied beyond standard. You can see it from the shipping details. Coming to B2C, that is different is here. There is no all the details. Then provide your payment, insurance, shipment mode. Then choose your delivery partner. Then you can also see the shipment.